Hello, good morning. So, how are you all? My name is C.A. Yogesh, and we are doing Standard 11th, chapter number 5, that is Skewness. So far, we had done many things in this chapter. Let us take it as a recap. We had started this chapter with the skewness. What is known as a skewness? I told you that there are two types of skewness, positive and negative. If mean is greater than median, median is greater than mode, it is positive skewness, and negative skewness means mean is smaller and mode is greater. If three of them are equal, then there is no skewness. That means you can say that skewness is zero. Okay, such a situation is known as symmetric distribution. Then we had two kind of methods in this chapter: skewness, Karl Pearsons method and Bolly's method. Now coming to the Karl Pearsons method. You will be asked to find the skewness and its coefficient. Skewness is denoted by Sk and coefficient is denoted by J. Now formula for your skewness is mean minus mode. What is formula for skewness? It is mean minus mode. Then its coefficient of skewness. Now what is coefficient of skewness? It is mean minus mode upon standard deviation. Mean minus mode upon standard deviation. Okay, let us start with sum, that is xi and fi. We had done this sum, so just get it through. You have to find mean with fi xi upon n. You have to find mode when xi fi is given. The observation having maximum frequency is known as mode. Then this is the formula for standard deviation, that is fi xi square. Then this is the formula of standard deviation at sigma fi xi square upon n minus x bar. Then we had seen the sum of classes where x bar was fi xi upon n. There was an extended formula for mode. Mode is L plus Fm minus F1 upon 2Fm minus F1 minus F2 into C. Okay. Then standard deviation is sigma Fixi square upon n minus x bar. Then we had done some of classes where it is inclusive class. Inclusive class means, sir, see, you can see the pattern of this class. It is 5 to 9, then 10 to 14. So you got the thing, I hope so. 5 to 9 and it's 10 to 14. Okay, then so now let us do one sum of this inclusive class, then we will proceed further. We had done in last sum was 5.1 third sum. Okay, this one, inclusive class. This illustration 3 is almost similar to that. Okay, a factory, I am reading the question. A factory has 100 machines for production. The following data are obtained about rejected items during the production. Find the skewness and its coefficient using Karl Pearson's method from this data. Number of rejected items, it's 11 to 20, 21 to 30, 31 to 50, and it goes to 71 to 80. Number of machines is 2, 12, 25, 30, and 12, 9. Okay. Now, let me write the question here. So, what we are doing is illustration number. Number of rejected items. number of machines. This is my Excel. You can see these are my classes and this is my. Now what are the classes given? It's 11 to 20, 21 to 30, 31 to 40, 41 to 50, 51 to 60, 61 to 70, 71. Then we are coming to the frequency. 12, 25, 14, 9, 12, 9 and 1. 12, 25, 39, 12, 9, 1. 100. The very first thing we will be finding the mean. To find mean, we have to find xi. Now, how to find xi? See, when this kind of class is given, it's 11 to 20. Mid value you have to find should be like this: 11 plus 20 upon 2. So this is 31 upon 2, which is 15.5. 15.5, 25.5, 35, 45, 55, 75. Then let us find Fi inside. Take your calculator with you. 15.5 into 2, 31. Then 25.5 into 12, 55.5 into 20, 55.5 39, 55.5 into 12, 65.5 into 9, 75.5 into 1. So the total is 4054. Now let us find mean. X bar is equal to Fixi upon n. So this is Fixi on n 50. Then let us find mode. Now mode is L plus Fm minus F1 upon 2Fm minus F1 minus F. Now what is Fm? In frequency, the highest frequency is known as Fm. Highest frequency is known as Fm. The frequency above the Fm is known as F1. And frequency below the Fm is known as F2. Now what is your L? L is 41? Yes? No. L is not 40. L is 40.5. So our lower boundary is 40.5. Now what is my FM? FM is maximum frequency. You can see here my maximum frequency is FM, that is 39, minus F1, that is 25, 2 FM, that is 2 into 39, minus F1, 25, minus F2, 12, into class length. Now what is your class length? Your class length is 9? Yes or no? No, obviously. Your class length is 10. How comes sir 10? Because as I told you that when there is inclusive class length, this class will be termed as 40.5 to 50. Okay. It will be termed as this 40.5 to 50. So now you can compare the class length. It is of 10. So this is 10. Okay. So this is 40.5 plus 14 into 10 upon. Now what is 2 into 39? 78 minus 37 into 10. 3.5 plus 4 into 10 upon what is 78 minus 37? 41. So this is 40.5 plus 40 divided by 41. What is 40 divided by 41? It's 0.98. So my answer will be 41. So my question was to find skewness and its coefficient. What we had found, we had found mean and we had found mode. So with the help of mean and mode, you can find skewness. But we have to find the standard deviation because my question is to find skewness and its coefficient. So for coefficient, we need what we need. We need standard deviation. So let us find the standard deviation. There is some mistake in mode. As per textbook, the answer is 43.91, and as per our answer was a bit different. So let us check. There may be some mistake in following the. Yes, the mistake is here. It is 39 minus 25, that is 14. 14 into 10, it should be 140. Now 140 upon 41 is 3.41. So it's 43.90. Now let us find the standard deviation. Okay, for standard deviation, I'll be finding the FIXI square. What will be finding? We'll be finding FIXI square. Okay, so how to find FIXI square? I taught you many times that FIXI square is FI into XI into XI. So it is Fi into Xi into Xi. So basically, if I tell you, it is Fixi into Xi. Okay. It is multiplication of both these things, Fixi into Xi. So it's 15.5 into 31, 280.5. Here your calculation will be bit lengthy. In textbook they have done another formula, but we'll not learn another formula as it will confuse you, because already there are plenty of formulas with you. 306 into 25.5, that is 7803. Then 887.5 into 55.5, 31506.25. Then 1774.5 into 45.5, 80739.75. Then 666 into 55.5, 36963. Then 59.5 into 65.5, 38612.25. Then 75.5 into 5700. Now you can see here 480.5 plus 7803 31506.25, 80739.75, 36963, 3861.25, and 5700. It's 2 lakh 1000. Now, what is my FXI square? 2 lakh 1000. What is my mean? It's 40.54. What is my n? My n is 100. My n is 100. So I'll be finding the standard deviation first. So my standard deviation is fxi square upon n minus x bar whole square. Sigma fx square upon n minus x bar. Now solving this, sigma fx square upon n minus, so 40.54 square. Now this 201805 upon 100, it's 2018.05 minus, what is square of 40.54? It's 1643.49. Now it's 374.56. 19.30. Let's check the answer. Answer of textbook is 11.96. So there might be some mistake again. So let us check. Yes, so my mean was 43.3. Let us check the mean. So there is mistake in FI. Let us change the mean first, then we can change the standard deviation. Let us check the FI. 15.5 into 25.5 into 12, it's 35.5 into 25, 45.5 into 39, then 55.5 into 12, 65.5 into 9, and 75.5 75.5. Now 75.5 plus 589.5, 666, 177.887.5, 306. So there may be some mistake in total. 4330. Now if you find the mean, it is 4330 upon 100 is 43 point. So now this is 43 point. So now square of 43.3, 1874.89. 101.05 minus 174.89, that is 143.16. And now square root of that 143.16, 11.90. You can see here my standard deviation matches the textbook. It's 11.90. Okay, everything is in the units. You can see. So let us summarize the question. My mean is 53.3. My mode is 53.91. My standard deviation is 11.90. Now let us find the skewness and its coefficient. So my skewness, that is a skewness, is equal to mean minus mode. What is mean and what is mode? Mean minus mode is negative 0.60. Then what is coefficient? J is mean minus mode upon standard deviation. Now this is the 43.3 minus 43.91 upon 11.90. This is 43.3 minus 43.91 is negative 0.60. 11.90 minus 0. This everything must be in units. This everything is must be in units. And mode should also be in units. So why you are writing everything in units? You can see the question. It is number of rejected items. That is 11 units, 20 units. So all the items. You can write items also. Here also same. So we have done till here. We'll proceed further in the next lecture. Till then, you can write and revise this. We'll be doing some more sums from this chapter in the upcoming lecture.